Everyone's trying to sleep, which is total shit. What's that bloody shit noise? That it sounded like a bloody shit alarm. That's total tits. Bloody shit, that is crappy. Bloody shit, that is total twat. Some of us here are trying to sleep, bloody twat. Bloody no, they crashed through the bloody shit door. You will clear for your dad. Yes, son. If you dared. With a din maker shit. Postman Dale Curley corny shit. Craptastic Walter. We're going at the Curley.
Strap yourselves in, din makers.
Din blinking shit dinosaur.
Straight to the
And his grand's banned from the lake.
Tough crowd.
Call the police officer. He's got cuffs. Oh no, bloody shit. Too much shaking about. That's bloody shit. We're shaking all about. We do the hokey pokey and you turn yourself around. Unleash the tit! Dinosaur!
At least the Din Maker's annual tour of Beanotown's over. Thank heavens for that. Until next year, of course.
Grand, no.
A big pot.
The big pot down with a pig.